Good morning, class 6. Today I'm right. So, how are you guys doing? And I hope you all are doing fine. So, without ado wasting time, let's get to page 79. And today we have done that. Stopping by the woods on a snowy evening, I gave a great explanation to you. And today we are back with Charles Dickens. I hope you have read some books of this person, Charles Dickens. He's a very good children's writer, and he is an awesome writer, and you get to learn a lot of it. So this story, which is here, Pip and the Convict. It's about a story of a child and a convict, how a convict or a jailed person who had run away from jail, or a criminal type of thing, or a bad person. But all people in the jail are not bad. Everyone is good. Some people have bad habits, bad things they have done. They have done it by mistake. So we just can't call any people bad unless and until we know them. We cannot judge anyone. So this is all about the story. It's taken from the story Great Expectations of Charles Dickens. So Charles Dickens, I'll just brief you, as you must be knowing him. You have done some stories earlier in English, I don't know. But this story is about Pip and the Convict. Charles Dickens, as you know, 1812 to 1870, was the most popular novelist of his time and is considered to be the greatest novelist of the Victorian era, of during Queen Victoria. His works have never gone out of print. At least 200 films and TV adaptations have been produced based on Dickens' work, such as Great Expectations, Oliver Twist, A Tale of Two Cities, and A Christmas Carol. Dickens created some of the world's best known fictional characters: Ebenezer Scrooge, Tiny Tim, Jacob Marley, Oliver Twist, Artful Dodger, Fagin, Bill Skipes, Pip, Miss Havisham, Sidney Carton, Charles Danray, David Copperfield, Mr. Micawber, Abel Magwitch, Samuel Pickwick, and Urian Heep. Dickens' literary successes began with the 1836 serial publication of the Pickwick Papers. Many of Dickens' novels are written and published in the popular newspaper in weekly or monthly parts, much like the TV serials of today. Charles Dickens can never grow old. Always there in the market. Charles Dickens, you say, and these books will come up. Great Expectations, Oliver Twist, A Tale of Two Cities, and A Christmas Carol. Christmas Carol is an awesome thing. I have done it in Kesaria with the children. So, I'll just brief you about the story first, and after that we'll go ahead first. So, how do we get to know a person? We think that person is bad. Like you don't know me. Class 6, now you know me. But when I had come to class 5 first, remember, my first day at class, your attitude. Everyone was, who is this man? He is going to come and take our writing class. Then he is going to take SST. What's going on? What's the matter? Then he is going to take EVS also. What is the problem? Who is he? How is he going to be? I got some attitude from some kids. Then I became their best friend. Now Ronin sir, do this, Ronin sir, do that, Ronin sir, I need this help, Ronin sir, see if this is okay. They all run around me. Now when I was the class, you were also excited that we'll be going to class 6 and Ronin sir will be our class teacher, isn't it? Because you came to know me. You came to know my habits, that you came to know how I treat you. I may be bad. I have a lot of bad points, but that doesn't make me bad, right? My bad points are for the bad people. My good points are for your good gems like you, diamonds like you. I'll behave very good with you as long as you're behaving good with me. Even if you behave bad with me, I'm going to teach you to behave good. But those who behave bad with me, other than children, I give my peace of mind to them. What you do is what you get back. So if anyone does bad to me, I'll give them bad back to them. Simple rule of mine. Live, be happy, live happy, enjoy life. Live and let live. And live like a king size. Live life king size. Even if I have 10 rupees, I feel like a king. Even if I have 10 lakhs, I feel like a bigger king. I'll not change if I have 10 lakhs today. Will I change? I'll be same person. My attitude will change, nor my clothes. My clothes will change, obviously. I'll change my clothes, I'll wear new clothes. I'll be wearing the same brand which I like. I'll just not go into a different brand. I am what I am. So, for to know me, you have to mix with me. You have to talk to me. You have to see how I behave with you. Then only you can judge me, is this person good or bad. If you are good, I am good with you. Right? So, I may be bad with someone else. That person might call me bad. Oh, that Ronan is a bad guy. But you will say, no, he is very good to me. For me, he is good. For you, he is bad. Fine. Okay. Let's keep it that. So, this is the story of Charles Dickens. So, it's like that. I'll come back in the next video.